Bullish CHZ cost expectation for 2023 for the most part is 13 cents and 95 cents. CHZ cost will likewise reach 20 cents soon, in spite of mainstream thinking. Negative CHZ negative market cost expectation for 2023 is 8 cents. In CHILIZ cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about CHZ to dissect the future development of the digital money. What is CHILIZ, which is very critical? CHILIZ truly is the money of decision for blockchain-supported items and administrations for standard purchasers. Additionally, CHILIZ gives sports associations and blockchain-based apparatuses to in a real sense help them partake and adapt their crowd. CHZ tokens can likewise be utilized to buy or trade fan tokens through the shopper-situated stage socios.com. CHILIZ value expectation 2023. CHILIZ stands firm on the 59th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. CHZ cost expectation 2023 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time span. The above graph of CHZ laid the bullish banner example. A banner example is a cost diagram highlight in specialized examination where a sharp countertrend pursues a brief direction. On a cost outline, a bullish banner seems to be an upstanding banner with a square-shaped cost design recognizing it as the banner as opposed to prevalent thinking. The sort of sign most certainly is believed to be most certainly better the genuinely more tight the banner. At present, CHILIZ is in the scope of 11 cents. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of CHZ could explicitly arrive at the opposition level of 57 cents and 95 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of CHZ might tumble to 8 cents. CHILIZ backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath in a real sense shows the help and opposition levels of CHILIZ. The above graph of CHZ laid the bullish banner example incredibly. A banner example generally is a cost graph highlight in specialized examination where a sharp countertrend pursues an impermanent direction. On a cost diagram, a bullish banner seems to be an upstanding banner with a square-shaped cost design recognizing it as the banner. The sign is explicitly remembered to be better the more tight the banner is. As of now, CHILIZ is in the scope of 11 cents, which is genuinely huge. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of CHZ could arrive at the opposition level of 57 cents and 95 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of CHZ might tumble to 8 cents. CHILIZ backing and opposition levels, which is genuinely huge. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of CHILIZ. Additionally, the moving normal of CHILIZ is displayed in the above outline. Remarkably, the CHZ cost lies under 50 mama, so it is totally in a descending pattern in a genuinely significant way. Presently, CHZ is in a negative state. There especially is plausible of an inversion pattern of CHZ whenever beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the meantime, the by and large relative strength record of the CHZ is at a degree of 52.28. This implies that CHZ is in a neither overbought nor oversold state. Nonetheless, this in a real sense implies a significant value inversion of CHZ might happen in the impending day. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange CHILIZ value forecast 2023, ADX, RVI, or so they essentially thought. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of CHILIZ. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the essentially sure and in every way that really matters. Negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of CHILIZ incredibly. Right now, CHZ sort of lies in the scope of 35.19, so it shows serious areas of strength for it. From the above outline, the general instability file of CHILIZ, which generally is genuinely critical. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time instead of cost changes. The RVI of CHZ in every practical sense lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, CHZ's RSI is at 52.28, in this manner affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of CHZ with BTC, ETH. The beneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and CHILIZ, or so they thought. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of CHZ is unlike BTC and ETH amazingly. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of CHZ diminishes. Likewise, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of CHZ increments. CHILIZ value forecast 2024 to 2030, or so they really thought. Various elements are considered while gauging costs including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. How about we anticipate the cost of CHILIZ somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030, which is genuinely huge. CHILIZ value forecast 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, CHILIZ could presumably really achieve 90 cents by 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. CHILIZ Value Expectation 2025. With a few overhauls in the organization, CHILIZ could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, CHZ could mobilize to hit $2 by 2025 in a significant manner. CHILIZ Value Expectation 2026. If CHILIZ supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, CHZ would revitalize to hit $3. CHILIZ Value Forecast 2027. If CHILIZ supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, CHZ would in a real sense rally to hit $4. CHILIZ Value Expectation 2028. In the event that CHILIZ supports significant opposition levels and proceeds to for the most part be perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, CHZ would mobilize to hit $5. CHILIZ Value Expectation 2029 in a significant way. In the event that CHILIZ holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe critical cost rallies. In this manner, by 2029, CHZ would hit $6. CHILIZ Value Expectation 2030. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on CHILIZ, it would explicitly observe significant spikes. CHZ could hit $7 by 2030. And, in opposition to prevalent thinking, with non-stop upgrades in the CHILIZ organization, we can say that 2023 is a very decent year for CHZ. Hence, the bullish value expectation of CHILIZ in 2023 is 95 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Then again, the negative value expectation of CHILIZ for 2023 is 8 cents in a significant way. Besides, with the headways and redesigns in the CHILIZ environment, the exhibition of CHILIZ would transcend its new all-time high of 87 cents very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 20 cents assuming that the financial backers accept that CHZ for the most part is a wise interest in 2023, or so they thought. 1. In a fundamentally huge manner. What is CHILIZ? CHILIZ really is the cash of decision for blockchain-upheld items and administrations for standard buyers. 2. Where could you at any point buy CHILIZ? CHILIZ has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which in a real sense incorporate Binance, CoinTiger, Bybit, Upbit, BTCEX, OKX, and CoinW. 3. Will CHILIZ come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the CHILIZ stage, CHILIZ has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What basically is the ongoing all-time high of CHILIZ? On Walk 13, 2021, CHILIZ arrived at its new all-time high of 87 cents incredibly. 5. Is CHILIZ a very wise interest in 2023? CHILIZ is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital forms of money this year, as per the kept accomplishments of CHILIZ in the beyond couple of months.